Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making rolls with poppy seeds. You're going to need 5 cups of flour, 1 cup warm milk, 1 cup warm water, 1/4 cup oil, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 egg for coating. We're going to start with the flour, so with the spoon, make a little space in the center, add dry yeast, add sugar, and then add half a cup of warm milk. Start stirring that for about 5 minutes until yeast gets activated. Then add the rest of the milk, add oil, add salt, add vinegar. Vinegar helps with keeping it nice and soft inside. And at the end, add warm water. And start kneading the dough until it stops sticking to your hands. This is what it's supposed to look like, nice and smooth and soft. Cover the dish with a little bit of oil, also cover the dough with a little bit of oil. Cover it with the plastic wrap and a towel and set it on the side to rise. Now we're going to start making fill. You're going to need 3/4 cup milk, half a cup sugar, 1½ cup poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1 lemon zest. Start with cooking milk until it boils. Then add sugar and stir it for a few minutes until it melts. Then we're going to add poppy seed. Lower your heat down and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And it should look like this thick. Then transfer it to different dish. Add vanilla. Add lemon zest. Mix it all up and set it aside to cool down. After the dough is doubled in size, take it out, and don't knead it again, just stretch it and cut it in 4 even pieces. Shape each piece in a nice ball. It's going to be easier to stretch it. Cover them with the towel so they don't dry up. Then stretch it as best as you can to an even circle. To be about 12 inches. Then brush the top with the melted butter. Then cut it right in the center and in the middle. Then cut each piece in half. You're going to end up with 8 pieces. Then cut each piece 1 inch in the center. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of fill right where the cut is. Fold the sides over the fill to make it like a pocket, and then roll it forward in a roll. And there it is. Now repeat all the steps until you run out of dough. After you're done filling up the baking pan, cover it with a towel and let it sit for 15 minutes. Now we're going to egg wash every piece. Then sprinkle a little bit of sugar on each one of them. Preheat your oven on 360. Bake it for 20-25 minutes. Once you get them out of the oven, they look nice and golden. Sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar, and look how beautiful they come out, soft, and they smell incredible. But look inside, it's beautiful. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.